Hi, my name is Greg Palia. I'm with West Roofing Systems, and welcome to another edition of Whiteboard Roofing. In today's episode, we're going to talk about does my commercial roof need 100% torn off or not? It's a big question that gets happened all the time, but why would a building owner even care about this? Well, the first thing is a complete tear off is a huge interruption in the business. Contractors on your roof, ripping everything off, driving it to a landfill, then installing a whole new roof on your building. Just a lot of parking spots are being taken care of, and just a contractor in your facility is a huge interruption to everything that goes on at your business. And the next thing is you could get potentially ripped off if someone proposes a complete tear off when it's not really needed. Um, Building owners can protect themselves by getting evidence of the reasons why it should be torn off, core samples, infrared inspections, stuff along those lines. But just for today, I just want to highlight two things real quick that usually steer a complete tear off or not. The first thing is excessive wet insulation. So the threshold most contractors use is 25%. If more than 25% of the roof has wet insulation, do 100% tear off. If it is under 25%, then just identify those areas, remove them, and replace with like material, and then install a new membrane. So 25% of the wet insulation, remember that. And the second thing is just the membrane condition in general. If you have a TPO roof or an EPDM roof that came with a 20-year warranty and now it's year 25, that membrane is probably not in a good condition. Could be dried out, could be losing adhesion to one another. You don't want to come to work one day and it's a complete blow off and now you're completely exposed to rain. Could be some alligatoring, the sun just beats down on it, dries out, it's not working how it's supposed to. Those are conditions you want to get that membrane off there. You don't want to be the first line of defense when rain comes down. So, perhaps you can just put coating down over top of that or spray foam over top of that if you have, you know, less than two roofing systems already installed. But really, the condition of the membrane and really the insulation is the big part. But just be aware that if someone proposes a complete tear off, get evidence of that. Show them, give pictures of the core samples, show me where the wet insulation is at, show me that the roof is 80% wet. Yes, that would justify a complete tear off. I would get that. But if you don't get those evidence, it could be a money grab. So that's really it for today. Hope you learned at least one thing new, and I'll see you next time. Thank you.